What is up, guys? Today is September 20th, 2021. Today we're going to talk about Sky ultrafast plus broadband. Let's go. Basically, guys, check this out. So this is Sky ultrafast broadband. Alright, so check it out, guys. This is the Sky hub, ultrafast broadband hub. Ta-da! So I'm about to give my review on it. What we'll do, I will go to every room and I will basically do a speed test to show you exactly what speeds we're getting. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Basically, we had the Sky super fast, which wasn't great, but let's test this. So we're in this living room. I'm gonna give it a go. Ready? See what happens. So what they're saying is it should be 400 megabytes per second in every room. So it's jumped out to 253. Alright, so we're getting 257. Can you see that? I'm not sure you can. There we go. We're getting 257.64 megabytes in this room, which should be better, to be honest, but it fluctuates. So let's go to the kitchen and then we'll press test again. Okay, we are now in the kitchen. Now let's try this again. Can you see it? Okay, what's going on? I'll move it a bit here. Is it working? I did choose a bad day, didn't I? What the hell's going on? I'll press the re button. Okay, let's try again. There we go. Alright, and the kitchen is chucking out 20, 18, 14. Whoa, alright, they must be doing something because this is 28. What the hell are they doing? Okay. 28 megabytes per second in the kitchen. Listen, normally it's not this, but I mean, we just put it in. It's been about, well, not even a week. So we'll go to the other rooms and we'll keep testing. Alright, I'm running out of battery, so I need to change the battery. One sec. Alright, we're back with the battery. Basically, that speed test didn't like go great, did it? Let's see the corridor. Oh, we're here, we'll do every room. Alright, we're in the corridor now. I'll test it again. Okay. See how weird is that? Look, can you see this? So in the kitchen, they're saying 183 here in the corridor. When it picks it up, 171. Alright. We'll do the kitchen again. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. We'll try it one more time. But basically, we're upstairs now. Let's try the back room. So we're sitting in the back room. Look at this. That is too cute. Let's try this room. But we gotta be quiet because the cat's sleeping. So we'll try this room. Okay, we'll do a test again. You ready? It's found it. It's found it. Nine. 95. What? Look at that. meant to be. Oh, we're out that room now. So basically, guys, it's meant to be like 500 megabytes. Remember that. And the minimum should be 400. Apparently, they give you money back if it doesn't. I don't know. I'll probably call them and be like, guys, what's happening with the speed? Anyways, check this out, yeah. So we're in the front room now upstairs, and let's test it. Come on, check it out. 178, 182. Okay, now it's picking up. Now it's picking up some speed and power. Come on, 237 in the front room. That is quite a big difference, isn't it? And we got one last room, which is the attic. Let's see what it gives upstairs in the attic room. I'll just sit here and we'll test this one out as well. You ready? So I'll do test again. Did it work? No. Test again. Alright, let's go. What's going on? Damn, up is 30. I mean, the router is downstairs. 35. 36. 36. Alright. So yeah, basically guys, we have a booster coming because we paid for that Boost Plus thing or whatever, where you pay like monthly and they check they test every day or something, and if something's up they maintain it. I don't know, but you get like a little white booster which is coming today in the post, and we'll try it out with that. I'm gonna try our last room, which is the box room, see what happens in this room. I mean, I won't lie, normally I've had speeds that are like 400. I've only seen that like once. 22 here. So we're getting, today they might be doing some work or something. We need to try a bathroom. Just one sec. Let's try this bathroom out, yeah. Might be having a shower, you listen to some music. I don't know. Let's try bathroom out. Ta-dam. It's not even connecting here. Come on. Give me some. Come on. Sometimes you gotta restart it. I don't know why. Damn, the bathroom is struggling. It is struggling, huh? How the go buttons come up. Come on, give me some signal. Oh, alright, 20. You see that? Ten megabytes in the bathroom. Alright, look, when the booster comes, I'll do everything again. We'll put the booster somewhere upstairs, and then we'll try it again because it'll boost the signal. But yeah, that's Sky ultrafast plus broadband. I think the booster's here. One sec.